Hello! Today's story goes along with our unit that we have been working on this week. We've been learning about money and how people earn money and how they save money and spend money. And this story goes along with that unit. It's called Down on Budget Farm. So today we're going to talk about some farm animals and how they might use money on the farm. Down on Budget Farm. The animals work hard on Budget Farm all week. They help Farmer Dave on the farm. He pays them every week for their work. Can you find Farmer Dave? Yeah, here's Farmer Dave. And what animals do you see on the farm? Yeah, there's a horse, and a pig, and a sheep, and a cow. Each animal has a budget. The budget helps them use their money. The budget shows the money they earn, spend, and save. A budget is like a plan for how you're going to use your money. So how much money you have, what you want to spend it on, and what you want to save. Today is their favorite day. It's payday. Payday is the day that you get money for the work that you've done. Farmer Dave gives Percy Pig his paycheck. Percy Pig wants to buy a big bucket of mud. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. How do you think that makes him feel? Yeah, maybe a little sad. He wants to save money. He says, I will put my money in my piggy bank. So he's going to save up so maybe next paycheck he can buy his bucket of mud. Farmer Dave gives Carrie Cow her paycheck. Carrie Cow wants to buy new bows for her hair. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to spend her money. Carrie Cow says, I will spend my moolah on bows. Farmer Dave gives Henry Horse his paycheck. Henry Horse wants to buy a new saddle. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. He wants to earn more money. Henry Horse says, I will give rides to our neighbors. Farmer Dave gives Shayna Sheep her paycheck. Shayna Sheep wants to donate her money. That's when you give your money away to help someone. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to give money to help others. Shayna Sheep says, I will give my money back to the farm. The animals like to work on the farm. They like to earn money. They have budgets to help them use their money. They can't wait for their next payday. The end. Awesome. So what characters were in our story? Yeah, there was Farmer Dave. Who else was in our story? The animals. The animals are characters too. We have horse and sheep and cow and pig. What is the setting of our story? Remember, setting is where the story takes place. So where are the characters in this story? Yes, they're on a farm. The farm would be the setting of the story. That's where it takes place. Awesome listening. If you log into your Seesaw, you'll see this activity posted, and you can watch this video and then complete the questions that go along with this story. All right, thanks for watching.